It is highly likely that Japan will be hit by a huge earthquake causing widespread damage and tsunamis within the next 3 decades, researchers have warned. A panel of government analysts said the chances of an earthquake between magnitude 7 and 7.5 striking the Japan Trench off the country's east coast in the next 30 years is up to 90%. Presenting the findings, committee chairman Naosh warned, "We want the public to keep in mind that strong quakes and tsunami will hit regions facing the trench again." As part of their project, Harada and his team split the Japan Trench, where the Pacific Plate slips beneath the continental plate, into sections. Based on the number of big quakes seen previously and the intervals between them, the researchers gave a probability of a fresh quake in each section. For Aomori Prefecture, Northern Iwate Prefecture and Miyagi Prefecture, the chances of a quake between 7 and 7.5 magnitude was estimated at 90% over 30 years. The area off Ibaraki Prefecture was given an 80% chance of a quake, while Fukushima Prefecture was 50%, Japan Times reported. Southern Iwate Prefecture was given a 30% chance of an earthquake. For its latest report, the team also assigned a risk category ranging from 1 to 3 to each section for an earthquake up to magnitude 8. Category 1 is the lowest risk and means the chances of an earthquake up to magnitude 8 are less than 3%. Category 2 means the chances of a quake up to magnitude 8 are between 3% and 26%, and Category 3 means the odds of such a quake are 26% or higher. The majority of areas were classified as 3 or above, with probabilities of a major quake increased in 2 areas. The largest increase came off Miyagi Prefecture, where the chances of a magnitude 7. Nine tremor were increased to 20%, up from 0 in the last survey. However, the panel saw almost 0% chance of a megaquake of magnitude 9 or above, such as the one that struck in March 2011. The Tohoku earthquake killed almost 16,000 people, mostly by drowning after it generated a tsunami that measured up to 133 feet tall. It also destroyed the Fukushima nuclear power plant, causing one of the reactors to melt down in a disaster which is still being cleared up to this day. The government established the Earthquake Research Committee in the wake of the 2011 disaster, and their latest report was released on Tuesday.